Hi, welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Now I am going to explain project is optimal multi-server configuration for profit maximization in cloud computing. Objective: we have proposed a principal model for the cloud computing which takes many factors into the consideration, such as a requirement for a service. In this process to the three type of server has been calculating the profit maximization and waiting time and profit gain, also calculating for the five types of the requirement has been calculating the our process. In this process to best services computing for the our process to select one type of server and send the data for the our process to the calculating the our objective process. In this process to the best service calculating the our server calculation, the workload of an application environment, the configuration for the multi-server system is etc. In this process to calculating the every system is maintained for the waiting time and profit maximum, and then also calculating for the upload download rating the process. In this process to calculating the best service for the our process. Now explain our project flow. This is for project flow. Start a multi-server model. A multi-server model is nothing but is selecting for multiple server. Our creating for project flow is been the creating three type of flow. So server 1 and server 2 and server 3. These servers are calculating for the all the profit gain and balance and profit gain and business profit gain and waiting time, also calculating for our process. The probability of service requesting in the queues, the probability of queuing, next power consumption model, and then finally the ideal speed model. In this process to calculating the every server has been calculating the our process. So construction speed model, the construction speed model is nothing but the separation of the data has been receiving for the our process. Waiting time distribution, so waiting time distribution is nothing but so data has been receiving time for the every server is time has been including for the our process. In this process to calculating the every server time has been waiting for the data receiving time has been waiting for the our process. The average waiting time calculation, the service charge, every server has been charging for the our data storage service cost. In this service cost also calculating the three type of servers also has been called for the service charge process. Net business gain, the business gain also calculating the all the servers data has been the calculated. The profit maximization, the profit maximization also called for the every server also calculating the profit maximization. The profit maximization every server declaring for the one type of amount. Then optimal size and speed, the optimal size and speed has been the what type of file has been sent and type of speed has been calculating for the every server. Stop. Now execute my project. This is for our application is 4 application has been our project. The first one is apply for optimal application. Please click the debug button or F5 project automatically start. This is for our main page process. This IP for the get automatically get for every system has been get the our system IP. This password is our system password has been entered to automatically get for the our system password. Access. This is for access process. This is for your system name and your system IP address. This is for your system speed and packet send and packet receive load process. In this process to getting for the our upload download rating or creating process for the our process. Next, this is for our file selection process. File selection, select the one type of text file and send for the our destination process. Example for the selecting the book 1 2 3 4 5 file, then click the open process. View details, this is for your selecting file process to detail for the our select file process. File detail button click, this is for file your selected file information has been displaying for the our process, then click the next process. This is for the system information get for the our process. This is 3 server of our process, they has been sent to the calculating for the our process. So system detail click, then click the first server application run and then click the destination detail. This is for our destination information. View this is for destination information upload and download packet data. then click the next process, then click system detail. After that click the server 2 process, then click the destination detail. This is for the second server destination detail. Then view detail for the second server destination. Packet send and packet receive process for this second server destination detail. Then click the next process, then click the system detail. After that run for the server 3, then click the system detail for the server 3 process, then click the view. This is for the server 3 upload download rating. Then click the next process. This is then click the every server next process. After that enter the details. This server system details, this is for the server 1 system details. This is the wait time calculation for the system details. Connect, then click the system detail, connect, then server 3 system detail, connect. After that optimal resource has been system details received. Then our detail for the server 1, server 2, server 3 process for the our system detail. Then click the next process, then the SC service charge calculation process for the our process. Then click the server 1 next process, then server 2 next process, then server 3 next process. Then click the system detail server calculation, then click the system detail server calculation, then click the system detail server calculation for the server 3. Then click the system detail service or calculation. This is for the 3 service or calculation for the our process. Then click the next process. After that 3 server, click the next button. After that server 1 to get the system detail and the detail for the profit gain is connected. Then click the second server system detail profit gain also calculated. Then the system detail server 3 profit gain also calculated. Then click the system detail profit gain also calculating for the our process. Then click the next process. Then click the next process, then click the next, then click the server 3 has been next. This is system details wait profit maximization calculation. Then click the server 2 and profit maximization also calculation. Then click the system details wait calculation for the profit maximization calculation. Then finally click the system details then profit maximization also calculation. Then click the next process. In the file send process, before send the for the all the server has been select the next process, the server 3 next process, and then click the file details and best service. So file store process, so file has been stored in the cloud server 1, and then click the next process. This is file has been stored and next process data has been received and successfully. So file has been sent for the server 1 cloud server process 1, and file information, this is for the our profit gain for the our process. Thank you.